So in your computer keyboard, if you are going to press this, first if you turn on the caps lock, so if you turn on this caps lock and press this F key, then you can see that a capital letter F have been added. So this is the F key, and in this video we are showing how to type an upside down capital F. That is, this capital F should be in an upside down. So for getting or typing this, you must open your Microsoft Word or something like that, and after that you must try this Alt code, that is Alt 8498. That is I'll show you how to type. For doing this, first you must go to your keyboard and you must first turn on the number lock. Now you can see that the number lock is enabled here. Next step is you must go to your left portion of your keyboard where you can see Alt key is located on the left of your space bar. You must press this Alt key. That means you did not remove your finger from this Alt key, and at the same time you can type here the shortcut, that is 8498. So after typing that, you can release your finger from this Alt key. So if you type like that, then you can see that now the F have been arrived here. That is this is the capital F, and if you need an upside down capital F, that is, this is the upside down capital F. So for getting this, must use the Alt code shortcut, that is 8498. You can check out and subscribe Engineer Cell Online for more videos like this. Thank you.